Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remain myself, the great Johnson Keys. Okay, so today I want to teach you how to use a diminished major 7 chord. All right. So I'll be in the key of F. Yeah. So when I said diminished major chord, for instance, F diminished major 7 chord is not this chord. I know some of you already know this before. You say, this is F diminished 7, right? Right. So the F, the A flat. Yeah. So, but do you know there's also F? There are diminished major 7th chords, right? Right. So which is this chord? This chord in the key of F. That's going to sound like this. Right. Something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you the chord, how to form it in this video lesson. I'll teach you how to form that chord. Then I'll also show you in a 7-3-6 chord progression so that I can start using that chord today. But before I continue that, I want to introduce you one more time to my new intermediate piano course. The syllabus is on the screen. That has been selling for a while now at a discount price of $3,500 to people in Nigeria and $10 to people abroad. All right. And the discount is almost going over now. It's almost going over. That means the price is going higher very, very soon. So you need to get your copy now. It's a video over 2 hours where I taught how to use all these chords. I taught how different types of chords. There are 9 types of 7th chords. I mean chords that you might not have seen before. Not to talk of using them, right? And some people know them, but I taught also how to use them. All right, so you need to get your copy. So my details is on the comment section. Chat me now to buy your own. Don't wait. You chat me now from wherever country where you are. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, let's go. So, what's a diminished major 7 chord? That's more like we have half diminished, which is also always in minor third. Yeah, half diminished chord, right? We have them like that, like that, like that, like that. So now, then we have our diminished 7 chord. But this is diminished major 7 chord. That means it's a diminished chord with a major 7. That means it's first off, half diminished chord. Then that has a major 7. So it's called diminished major 7 chord. Now, the one for the key of C, F, for instance, will be this half diminished, right? Major third, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Half diminished. Then you add your major 7. What's your major 7 in the key of F? What's its answer? That's E, right? Yeah. So you had that. So listen to how it sounds. Very cool chord, Diminished chords are very nice chord. The one in the key of C sounds like this. And it keeps going like that. Woo! Alright. Right, so even that alone already sounds so cool, so cool. You should get my intermediate piano course today. All right, so doing that alone already sounds so cool. But now let's go to our lesson for today. Okay, so now how do we use this? Now we want to do it 7-3-6 in the key of F that goes 7-3-6, right? 2-5-1-4. I love that progression a lot. So now let's build 2 of them for our 7-3-6. So for our 7, which is this chord. We have in the key of F, we have our 7 and then our 6 on the left. So what chord are we going to use here? So no, let's use this. So we're going to use our minor third, your minor third, whatever key you are, your minor third. So build a diminished major 7 chord on your minor third. Now let's build that in the key of F. Now our minor third is A flat. So let's build that. So it's always the interval for diminished chords also they're always minor 7. So minor third rather. So that's 3 half steps. So having held this, let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, hold it. 1, 2, 3, hold it. So we have our half diminished first. Now this key, what is the major 7 of this key? That is G. So that's the chord. You get that? If you didn't get that, then you should watch it again. Or better still, check the comment section and get my intermediate course now, whether you get it or not. So listen to how it sounds, very cool. Woo. So let's build another one for our 3. Woo. For this 3, I don't know if I like the chord on 3. Okay, so now after building the chord diminished major 7 on your minor third for your 7, you should come down to your 2 and build another one for your 3. So that means your left will be playing 3 as your roots, the root baseline, and then your right will be playing this diminished major 7 chord on that you build on your 2. So let's build it. Our 2 in the key of F is G. So let's build it 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, right. Then what's the major 7 of this key, which is G now, right? The major 7 is what's it called? F sharp. So the major 7 is always behind the tonic. So that's it. Right? Okay, so woo! So how's the bee panted for woo? The water sold my soul on the Okay, so let me quickly give you a 2 chord. So a 2 chord you can use is for your left, you can use 2, 6, 1. For your right, I've given you this before. Let me look for another one. Okay, for your right you can do right. So okay, so for your right you can do 6, 1, 3. I try giving you what I've not done before. 6. Then for your 5, you do 5, 2, 4. On your right hand, just do your flattened 7, a child on it, which is in this case is E flat. So you just play right. Then woo. Then a stretch here for your 1. So for your 1 you have a 1 flattened 7, and your 3 on your right hand you have your 5. Build a diminished 7 chord on it. So, and that takes you to your 4. So one more time. As the deep panted for the water, so my soul long better. So if you've watched this lesson and you've watched this lesson very well, you should be able to play what I just played now. If you've watched this lesson carefully, because I notice everybody most times doesn't watch carefully. Some people watch it like movies, and it's not movies, it's a tutorial, so you need to watch it carefully to pick everything I played and showed you. Right. So if you watch this video carefully, at the end of this lesson you should be able to play all the stuff I've played. Now, not at the end of this lesson. Now you need to watch and learn first. Watch and learn everything I've given to you. Then you should be able to play this after. And don't forget to hit me up on the inbox to get my new piano course that is still selling and will soon, the discount price will soon be over. I'm expecting you from every country. God bless you. Bye.